In a small school nestled between hills, there was a quiet boy named Ayan. He didn't talk much, but he loved to draw.
He had one favorite pencil, old, short, and always sharp. It wasn't fancy, but it felt just right in his hand. One day during lunch, Ayan accidentally dropped his pencil. When he came back to class, it was gone. A few minutes later, his classmate Bilal stood up and showed everyone a pencil. "Look, I found this cool drawing pencil near my desk." Ayan looked at it closely. It was his. The small bite marks, the smooth wood, he knew it right away. But Bilal was smiling, and everyone was admiring him. Ayan felt a lump in his throat. He wanted to speak up, but something inside held him back. At home, he told his mother. She gently said, "Ayan, always speak the truth but kindly. If you stay silent in the face of dishonesty, it can grow like a weed." The next day, Ayan walked up to Bilal and said softly, "That pencil looks like mine. I dropped it yesterday. It has my initials carved at the end." Bilal looked. There, faint but clear, were the letters AA. Bilal's face turned red. "I'm sorry. I didn't know it was yours," he said, handing it back. Ayan smiled. "It's okay. Thanks for giving it back." Moral of the story: honesty is not just about telling the truth, it's also about standing up for it, kindly and calmly. Speaking the truth may be hard, but it builds courage and earns respect.